What if you could build a real-time digital compass that reacts instantly to movement, just like in modern gadgets? See orientation changes live on a bright OLED screen using Arduino. Combine sensors, code, and design in one hands-on project. Hi, I am Ashraf from the Educational Engineering team. In this hands-on course, I'll guide you step by step through building your own three-dimensional OLED compass using Arduino. No prior experience required. You'll gain practical electronics, coding, and sensor integration skills, all while creating something you can actually use. You'll learn to interface an OLED screen with Arduino, connect a magnetometer sensor, and display real-time compass direction on your screen. By the end, you'll not only understand how a compass works, you'll have built one. Students have used this project for school demos, portfolio builds, and even practical navigation tools. This is, honestly, hands-on learning at its best. So, are you ready to build your own Arduino-powered three-dimensional compass? Click the link and enroll now. Bring real-world electronics to life, 1 degree at a time.